Come near this building. Near this building you have to come. So I have to come over here. You are very, very lucky. You are getting freely. You are getting freely nearly 100,000 peso. 100,000 peso, 52 world coin is approximately nearly $20, more than $20. You have to come to this mall. I'll guide you. You are very, very lucky to get the money. You are very lucky. Okay? So, I'll show you how you can get 100,000 pesos. 100,000 pesos. Freely. You have to come with your ID card. Come with your ID card. Okay? I see a lot of people buying the world coin and converting it immediately. In Spain also, in Barcelona also, and that time it was more. I will keep my mobile inside because I do not want to lose the mobile. My mobile has lot of money. Inside my mobile, there's a lot of USDT Polygon. So I showed you the money I collected now. I transferred only 150 because the price is little less. Later I will take more. I purchased for 150 USDT Polygon. I got nearly 600,000 pesos. Nearly 600,000 peso. But you have to purchase USDT Polygon. At least you have to purchase 52 USDT Polygon and 1 Polygon token. You purchase for 55, I'll tell you. Okay, you have to purchase for 55. This is a nice tower. Just opposite is the mall. See, on the third day I coming to Bogota, I found what I want. Third day, because first 2 days I was there at the expo. I was at the Money Expo, which was at Bogota Agora Convention Center. So I'll keep the mobile inside because people tell someone will snatch off your mobile. So I'll keep the mobile inside. This is Abhinandan. So those who contact me, you'll get a free opportunity to visit India. You'll not only get a free opportunity to visit India, you'll get a free opportunity to visit Malaysia, India, China, and later USA also after 1 year time. So contact and speak to Abhinandan. You are getting freely 100,000 pesos. I will show you how. You are getting freely 100,000 pesos. Okay, I will guide you how to do that. But don't take the money, but invest in a business which starts with $52, 52 USDT, and you'll earn very good money when you refer people. It is one of the best business I have seen in 30 years. It is one of the best business I have seen in 30 years. I'm repeating. It is one of the best business I have seen in 30 years of my life in online businesses. You get 25%, 50%, 75%, 100% commission, 100% earning. So, don't come to your own conclusion. In India, people are not getting this offer to get 100,000 pesos freely. In India, people are not getting this offer to get 100,000 pesos freely. Here you are getting about 100,000 pesos freely. I'm going to show you how. Okay. So, I'm stopping right now. This is Abhinandan. I will take a walk. I showed you everything like no one will show you. So I'm stopping it right now. have the patience to watch the videos. Have the patience to watch the video. I'm repeating two times. You have to have the patience to watch a 32 minutes video. You may not understand anything. You will not understand first time. No one will understand first time. It took me 7 times for me to understand. 7 times. I am making now daily or alternate day $200. $200 per day. Okay, today morning I closed one person to join the business in India. Now I will be in another by August, September I'll be reaching about more than $500 to $1,000 per day. $500 to $1,000 per day. Per day, $500 to $1,000 per day. With starting with just $55 or about 250,000 Colombian peso. And out of 250,000 Colombian peso in Bogota, you will be getting 100,000 freely. I have seen that in Spain also. So this is Abhinandan. So contact me and speak to me. Interact with me on WhatsApp. I am speaking in English, but I'll be using a AI translator, language translator. So I'll be a little careful right now. I don't want my mobile to be lost. But I am showing you the proof of talking directly. You must be lucky to get this opportunity. And that too, you are lucky to get 100,000 peso, about $20 plus. Nearly $20 plus. So contact and speak to me on the WhatsApp number coming. Either Colombian number or Malaysian number. I'm repeating, you get a free trip to India after you have earned $7,000. After you have earned $7,000. All the details, I'll tell you that later. All the details I will tell you later. So you have to speak and interact. Living in Bogota, living in Colombia, if you don't know how to earn money online through a proven business which is 100% decentralized, Okay, this must be some old, this one I think, some very old, this one. Anyhow, so contact and speak to Abhinandan. If you don't speak, if you have a mental block, not interacting, you are the one losing the opportunity. I am speaking very loudly. If it was America, people would have watched me. If it was you in Miami, I was there in Miami for 3 months. So you get an opportunity to visit India. I'm repeating it. So don't say it was boring. Today is my third day. This is my first time I'm visiting here. So I'm walking, I'm holding the mobile very tightly because people told me to hold your mobile because people will come from backside and snatch your mobile. So contact and speak to me. Let me go around right now. Okay? And I'm going to talk to you. When you interact with me, I'm going to talk. So if you associate, we can work together, you can earn. I'll come here once again. You can earn every day $100. Every day you can earn 100 US dollars if you work 2 hours per day on your WhatsApp in your free time. In your free time, you waste time watching reels, shorts. You waste time watching reels, shorts. Am I right? Instead of that, you work 2 hours on WhatsApp. And Bogota people, you are lucky than Medellin people. Here you are getting 100,000 pesos by another company freely. I saw a lot of people. I saw more than 30-40 people coming, collecting the coin from there and giving over here at the place where I collected my money. See, I am showing you. From my mobile, I did not pay dollars. Once again, I am opening. This is very risky. See, this is, I showed you over there. I am showing here once again. Here, this is about 500,000. This is enough for my expenses. 500,000 peso. 500,000 peso I got for transferring from my mobile 150 USDT Polygon, which I earned through a business. So you will see the proof. Daily earning $100 or $200, and after some 2 months it will cross $500,000 per day, not per month. And when you are making $3,000 per month, if you are making $3,000 per month, apart from your job, apart from your business, is it not a good money to travel? Every month if you are making $3,000, every month you are making $3,000, you can live even in USA, you can live in Miami. I was there in Miami for 3 months. So tomorrow I'll be going to the top over there Sunday. So contact and speak Abhinandan. Unlucky people won't speak. Unlucky people will come to wrong conclusions. Unlucky people will come to wrong conclusions. I am making this in English, but it will be converted to Spanish. I think I'm in one of the circle over here. So I came from there. I collected for 150 USDT Polygon. I got about 600,000 Colombian peso. 600,000 Colombian peso. So later, if I want more, I can give another $300 or $500. So I'm stopping right now. I think there must be some university or something here. Yesterday I went to the Money Expo. That's the bag I'm having. You speak English? I am from India visiting here. Little English? What is this place called as? I'm just recording it. What, are you student or studying? What are you studying?
I'm studying.
What do you study?
I'm studying English.
Oh, you study in English? English is my favorite subject. What is this place called?
The place is Las Almas.
What is it?
Las Almas.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. So, you know what? I can talk to people, interact with people. 1 second.